Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating WhatsApp and confirming system-level notifications are enabled so you can control channels. Once done, open the specific chat you want to stop unmute messages for. On Android, long press the chat to reveal options. On iPhone, swipe left and tap More. Make sure the chat is currently muted before proceeding. This process assumes you're removing the unmute alert that appears when someone or you toggles mute. Now move to the notification channel controls. On Android, go to App Info for WhatsApp, enter notifications and locate channels such as Other, Service, or any channel that mentions system or status messages. Disable or silence those channels. On iPhone, open Settings WhatsApp and turn off the notification types that trigger banners for system messages. Alternatively, disable banners but keep messages sound. Within WhatsApp, check Settings notifications for any muted chats preferences and set them to silent. These steps stop the unmute informational alerts. Finish by testing. Mute then unmute a chat and watch for any banner or sound. If you still see the unmute notice, clear WhatsApp cache Android, reboot your device and retest. If that fails, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats. Make sure background data and notification access are consistent with your settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if a system-level channel keeps re-enabling, temporarily disable WhatsApp notifications in system settings, reboot, then re-enable only the channels you need. That reset often removes persistent service alerts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.